Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing and a nail set of this fancy polygel kit that you could get through Amazon. Very inexpensive and affordable, and I'll also have a discount code for you guys to apply for additional money off. So here I'm just previously showing you everything that it includes, and what I really enjoyed about this polygel that it includes temperature changing cat eye and luminous polygel. So very cool and interesting, just a variety of different effect type of polygels, which is really nice, you know, to have polygels that change colors or luminous or cat eye effect. So here is one of the temperature changing, and I'm just going to briefly show you all the colors. I'm going to show you them what they look like uncured and then cured, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you guys enjoy. So for this particular video, I decided to go for a spooky type of look, but it is something that you could wear year round, or especially for the spooky season, for Halloween season. I thought it would be a great just a nail look in general. Very simple, no charms or anything, just the temperature changing polygel, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I thought they looked so pretty, so simple, and very Halloween related. It reminded me of Halloween or the galaxy, something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Here I'm just briefly doing these swatches along with their corresponding effect. So we have temperature, luminous, and cat eye. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Here is what they look like uncured, and then here's what they look like cured. So now we're going to begin the process, and I am doing the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method. So I have my stand and my full coverage nails ready. These are the Inno Couture Extreme Square nails. They're pre-etched and all. Absolutely love these. They do go for $20. So here I am just going to be applying some polygel at the cuticle area on each individual one, and then I'm going to use the slip solution that the kit came with and maneuver the polygel. And always remember to maneuver it slowly, take your time, do it properly, and remember to always make sure and look at the sidewalls that there's no negative spaces, just for the look to look good and clean. So that is what I'm doing here. So my first impressions on this polygel is that it's very smooth polygel, very easy to work with. I actually really loved the texture of this, the way that it just composed with their slip solution along with their polygel. It just glided like butter, but it wasn't runny at all, because as you guys can tell, exactly where I placed the polygel on the cuticle area, that's exactly where it stayed. It didn't run through the nail or anything. So it's actually really easy and soft to maneuver. I absolutely love this. Like, very good look. If you guys look into detail and you see close up, you're gonna notice that the polygel never moved on its own. So it definitely is not runny, and it's not extremely stiff. It's just smooth. It's like the type of texture that you would want, I like in a polygel, if that makes any sense. But I absolutely love it. So nice to work with, very easy to work with. First of all, this polygel is so beautiful, so galactic looking, you know, or for Halloween. It gave me like galaxy Halloween vibes. So I definitely loved the polygel. I didn't have any issues with it. The polygels did look like they had gone through it for some reason. I don't know why the packaging looked that way, but other than that, like, I had no issues with the polygel. It looked absolutely great. Like, the quality was good. You guys are seeing for yourselves. Literally, you saw it worked absolutely beautifully. I had no issues with that in regards to that. And remember to do the cat eye effect before curing it, because I had cured the polygel before when I was doing the swatches, and then I tried to do the cat eye and it did not work. So I did flip the nail over, you guys will see, and then I did the cat eye effect to my desired liking. So now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the process. So now I'm just grabbing the cat eye magnet that the Polygel kit included and placing the cat eye effect to my desired liking. And by the way, this is an Amazon Polygel kit, very inexpensive and very affordable, and I'll also have a discount code for you guys linked down below in the description along with on the screen. I always wanted to try out more of the Amazon polygels because they're very inexpensive, and that is something that obviously a lot of people would gravitate more towards. So here, before I apply the nail, I almost forgot I'm applying the Vetsy peel off coat, and this is something used just for temporary nails, like if you're practicing and you want to take them off right away, or if you want to keep them on for maybe like a day or two, but these don't really last when you have peel off coat on. So yeah, after I was done applying it and I let it dry super quickly, by the way, I'm just placing the nail on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my flashy lamp from Couture. This is definitely something that I always recommend anyone to have in their collection, whether it's from Couture or not, just because it is so effective and just so convenient. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just doing a quick flash cure, and then when I place all the nails on after doing the flash cure individually, I'm gonna go in and cure it fully under the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to show you bits and bits of the process. So now that I'm done placing on the nails, I'm just grabbing some hand sanitizer, or you can also use some alcohol. I love the spray version like that. It just works a lot more better for me. And I'm just removing the shine or any excess stickiness that might be on the nails. And then we're going to get ready to file, shape, and buff. So now I'm just going in with the Model 1's top coat. This kit did not include a top or base coat. I wish it would have, but unfortunately it didn't, but that's okay. So now I'm just going to go in and apply some top coat onto the nails and also to the underside of each individual nail. And then I'm just going to be going in and curing it for 60 seconds. And now we're just going to move on and apply some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for allowing me to reach 3,000k subscribers. It means the absolute world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who support me in any way, shape, or form, whether it's through my social media platforms, my Instagram, YouTube, or my Etsy shop. Thank you so much. It means the absolute world. I'm very appreciative, and I just can't wait till the channel continues to grow. So thank you guys once again. I love you all. Till next time.